back normal. Yo, here we look like.
I'm like, you ain't talking about your little raggedy bum butt.
On another mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, y'all. So watch me go and get it. My daughter needs tuition for a new family business. So I'm hustling for mine, y'all. So watch me go and get it.
What up?
What it is.
What's up, y'all? It's Ray.
And time.
Ooh, we babe. It's about that time.
Yeah, we about to do this natural hair routine and show you all the products we use.
But first,
So I got a bar of natural black soap right here. Get ready to chop this up because we're running low on our Castile soap that we usually use in our hair. So we're going to make our own mixture here.
plus both soaps are supposed to be good for your scalp and help with hair growth.
And it's so natural. You can eat it.
No. Okay, babe about to put the chopped up black soap inside the bottle so we can make the mixture.
Yeah, we about to put some water in that
You better put some in there.
Squish out them bubbles, dog.
Now shake it, shake it like a Polaroid picture.
Make our own soap.
Right, tell them bye.
Who else made their own soap? I'll wait. Now, if you want to buy this, $25.99.
Yes, honey. So I'm about to go ahead and comb my hair out before it get washed. I freaking love this brush, y'all. And it came straight from Dollar Tree. This brush is the best. Like, for detangling. I know Ty probably watching this video like, look at them inches. Because he don't know about this.
No. Nabbish.
What?
Huh?
What you say?
And I like your shirt.
Thank you, baby. This style is taking all day.
I ain't like one of the one stylists now.
$40.
Now I don't usually do this. This is my first time washing hair.
Right.
Don't get seafood.
So I'm giving her the little pre-soak and getting ready to put this soap in.
Ooh, wee. That soap smells so freaking good.
So I'm putting the soap in, massaging in her raggedy head.
Boy, I know you was not talking. Is it just me? I feel like it's so satisfying when you washing your hair and it get sudsy and all like bubbly and stuff. So it's time to rinse this all out. Shout out to my raggedy stylist.
Your mama. You know what?
Oh, you still talking about it. Don't like rub, just squeeze.
I got hair too.
I'm just saying.
I got
like
this.
pat.
Oh, my bad.
Smack the rest out of you. They washed it for
Show
me.
your face, girl.
Do anybody know what curl pattern this is? I've been curious like what curl pattern I have. It's kind of loose. It's FaceTime. And as you can see, he really is due for a wash. My baby is due for a retwist too. See all this? That's new growth. I got you, Bible.
I got a couple dreads still braided.
See, raggedy, y'all. I'm on my Erica by Lou. Oh, I'm trying to get him to lay back, and he act like I don't know what I'm doing.
You don't.
I'm just saying. So Ty done eating his boogers, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse out his hair. Y'all, it been how long, babe?
Almost like a year for real.
Yeah, so I'm rinsing all of that dirt out of there.
Alright, it's time for her to put this good old smell good soap in this joint.
Yes, I'm about to put that in and go ahead and rub it in real good. Rub that scalp. Vinegar. I'm mixing the vinegar with that black soap so his hair can soak in some super hot water, y'all, and giving him kisses.
I can feel the heat coming off this. You know this stuff hot.
Okay, y'all, so Bay is soaking his hair. Look at that. See the smoke. That's how hot this water is. Shake it, shake it like a Polaroid picture. This looks separate from that. What if you lift your head and that all just stays?
First nightmare.
I'm your ringekyo. I'm your ringekyo. Wake up!
I wasn't asleep.
You ready?
Yeah. So I'm letting all this water drain. Y'all just don't know how heavy these things on dreads is.
Yeah. We got this super hot water. Need to unclog and we need to use the sink. So, babe.
It's fast like I'm Jackie Chan now.
Now his hair is done soaking, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it all out.
So it's gonna be smelling like that stinking ass vinegar.
Yes, about to do a deep wash a few times actually. All right, y'all.
It's the Clio Tell Your Future.
You irritating. All right, y'all. It's moisturizing time.
We're about to use some of that good old olive oil to moisturize the baby hair up. It's looking a little crunchy.
Believe it or not, this came straight from the grocery store.
Yep, original. I say original. I mean
extra virgin olive oil. Oh, yeah. This feels so good, but olive oil is supposed to moisturize your hair and reduce scalp irritation, so you know I'm on it. Okay, all right now.
I'm trying to get the surface.
Okay, babe. I want to put some coconut oil in there too. Dang. I know it might seem like it's an overkill, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this organic coconut oil on top because my hair be getting dry fast, so it works for me. Okay.
You can also buy this from the grocery store too.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good thing about this coconut oil too, it'll moisturize, help your hair from breaking off. You need to keep the lice away, white people.
Yes, sir. Oh. Dang.
This part feels super good. It be giving me chills down my spine.
So it's the baby's turn to get oiled up. Also putting some leave-in conditioner in there. We rarely use this brand, so get you some Jamaican leave-in conditioner if you want. I section off his hair. I'm gonna go ahead and put some coconut oil in there too. Oh, wait a minute, babe got inches. Hold on.
Ben had them.
Boy, bye. Look.
I know my hair long.
No, you just got your hair washed, so it's super stretched. It was not down there. It's time to snip, trim them ends up.
So
this is some Shea Moisture edge gel or whatever, something.
Edge control?
Yeah, that's what it is. So I'm gonna use this edge control on his edges so I can get him laid. Okay. I'm gonna just show y'all what I'm about to do throughout his whole head. This is not where I really want to start, but y'all see, I pretty much am like trying to make sure his little part's straight. Single this one out. So I got my little edge control right here. Put it right there. And then I'm comb that through. Some people like will literally take this comb and like just twist it like this. But I feel like that take me too long. So I just takes the dread and I just palm roll that joint. Ooh.
Ah, my arm hurt.
Wait, if you start worrying about them peanuts.
I ain't got no peanuts.
That resulted in that. So I have to do that like 450 more times. Okay, time to get this done.
And don't be talking about my short dreads in the back. When I first got them done, the African made them way too thin and they just start falling apart.
Excuses. Everybody got excuses why they bald head.
I ain't tripping because you see me and dread it now a bit. And my hair longer than yours.
Boy, bye. You'll also notice I'm not using clips. I'm kind of just looping them to secure them. I'm putting 3 dreads together into a braid too, so that helps as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little quick, easy twist to the back type of style because I need to get better at styles, but this will do.
Don't let it fool you. This ish hurt like hell.
Finally done, but on to the next head. So I usually start in the back and work my way to the front. I don't put anything extra in my hair. The olive oil and coconut oil kind of work for me. By the way, I'm cheap, so if I can do it myself, I will. Boy. Finally done.
We back normal. I know your hair, dude.
What?
Your hair was looking like.
I'm like, you ain't talking about your little raggedy bum, but.
Okay. We fresh for 2019 though, so.
Yeah, you right.
Happy New Year, my friend.
Happy New Year.
If y'all want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that like button one time for one time.
And subscribe.
Definitely. Signing off.